One of the least pleasant warnings you can see in your Mazda CX-5 is the warning saying AT transmission malfunction, since it hints you there are problems with one of the most expensive units in your car. But first of all, you need to check the 12-volt battery that accounts for the majority of cases when Mazda owners see this automatic transmission warning on the dash of their cars. The problem is that a low battery will drop its voltage heavily when you are cranking the engine, and this will set codes in various control modules. You may see just one warning saying there are issues with the auto transmission, or you can see a bunch of warnings reporting traction control problems, radar or camera related issues, etc. Anyway, it makes sense to provide your 12-volt battery with a load test, not just measure its voltage with a multimeter, or just take it to a car parts store and let them check it for you. Also, if you can't start your car and see the AT transmission malfunction warning, this is most likely the battery that just needs to be charged or at least jump started to start the engine. Other than that, there may be an electrical problem in the transmission. The control modules may have registered slip pin somewhere in the system, including the differential in all-wheel drive models. Also, the transmission control unit may experience a certain glitch and may need to be reset. What you can try is to disconnect both battery cables for several minutes to let the system reset. But if this doesn't help, the only way would be to scan the vehicle with a Mazda compatible scanner and see the codes. Anyway, the AT transmission function warning almost never means that there is something bad with the transmission. But if you're sure that the problem is not with the battery, you'd better stop the vehicle and avoid further driving till you get it scanned. Getting a tow truck may eventually be cheaper than sorting out problems you may cause by driving your car further with this AT transmission function warning.